Okay, this is a test of my Aiptek HD. It's the A-HD Plus. This was bought by me from Jordan Photo. On eBay, it's JORDANPHOTO, and this is a test of it. This is running in 720p, 60 frames a second. The hot mirror has been taken off. I believe it's the hot mirror to make this a full spectrum camera, a infrared full spectrum camera. It was $120 on eBay. The seller, Jordan, he has quite a few of them, so if you get a chance, take a look on eBay. He makes a great product. I guess he buys these and takes them apart and converts them into full spectrum. So if you get a chance, take a look. It's a great little camera. No complaints yet. No complaints at all. And that's it.